Here's some big news coming in. There's heat mounting on actor Siddharth after a sexist tweet that he put out on Saina Nehwal. NCW now to take cognizance of Siddharth's sexist remarks, a tweet that he's put out. In fact, Siddharth reacted on Saina Nehwal's tweet on Prime Minister's security breach and wrote, "Subtle cock champion of the world. Thank God we have protectors of India." Here, Siddharth puts out a tweet almost mocking Saina Nehwal, and now heat mounts on Siddharth's tweet after he made that sexist remark on Saina Nehwal in response to a tweet that Saina had put out on the Prime Minister's security. Siddharth had written, and I quote, "Subtle cock champion of the world. Thank God we have protectors of India." This is Siddharth's tweet that he put out, which has now irked the National Commission for Women. They have taken cognizance of this tweet. Unfortunately, this has come across as a sexist remark. The heat only mounting on actor Siddharth after the sexist tweet on Saina Nehwal. NCW now to take cognizance of Siddharth's sexist tweet. Siddharth has reacted to Saina Nehwal's tweet on Prime Minister's security, and he writes, almost mockingly, and I quote, "Subtle cock champion of the world. Thank God we have protectors of India." Let me cut across to Pramod Madhav joining us for more on that. Pramod, Siddharth is known for making some strong statements. This time it appears it's turned sexist. Saina Nehwal had written about the Prime Minister's security breach, and Siddharth has taken to Twitter almost mocking Saina Nehwal and coming out with a tweet that almost is as sexist as can be. He says, "Subtle cock champion of the world. Thank God we have protectors of India." What did he mean? Has he responded to the controversy around this?
Well, Siddharth has finally responded to the controversy, but in the first thing it has been like Siddharth actually is a very smart actor, and that's the reason he cannot go ahead and say that he tried to provide a different explanation for that, and nobody is ready to even accept it, because even in that it's a particular tweet he calls Saina Nehwal, the shuttlecock champion, as a subtle cock champion of the world, and thank God we have protectors of India. So there itself the issue began, and this is what even though he wants to play with the words very clearly. Women of India came to understand what he was trying to say, and that's why he faced backlash, especially from his own counterparts from Tamil cinema like Chinmayi, who said that these are the things actually women are fighting against, and now Siddharth himself has contributed to such a kind of an issue. And even Priyanka Chaturvedi, Shiv Sena MP, has very clearly mentioned that this kind of illiberal action is actually against the discourse, and she has also condemned Siddharth. But right now, actor Siddharth has come forward and he's trying to provide an explanation that this is just something like cock and bull story only, and there is nothing more to read into it. But it's very clear that a foreign actor like Siddharth, who has already commented on various issues, who everybody knows is pretty smart in his acting career and with his words as well, it is not easy for anybody to accept that he only meant something else, and that's the reason many on Twitter itself are asking or seeking his apology for his such a tweet.
Right. Pramod, Siddharth has often made some really strong statements on social media. He's received a lot of flack for it, but doesn't seem like anything stops him. Here, when he speaks of Saina Nehwal, where she spoke about Prime Minister's security breach, undoubtedly this is a national issue. It is upsetting that the most important man in the country was, the protocols there were violated in fact, directions were given to ensure his security. It was blatantly breached. And here, it seems like Siddharth itself is fighting a wrong battle. He's trying to take on the issue and mock Saina Nehwal for taking up and standing up for what happened.
Absolutely, because the matter is still under investigation, and even before that, this is what something, if I had to quote again Priyanka Chaturvedi's tweet, she's very clearly mentioned that you might have disagreements with the way people think, but it doesn't mean you will go ahead and insult them in such a manner. And this is what Siddharth has kind of done here. His words are very clear. The tweet is still active, and this is something he needs to provide a proper explanation. Just saying that it is just a cock and bull story and nothing more to it is not that much acceptable. And Siddharth, just like you mentioned, he's known to play with his words earlier, and this time nobody's ready to accept his explanation, what he has provided now, and that's the reason he is in serious trouble.
NCW taking cognizance on the issue. What do you think is going to happen? Are they going to summon him? Is there an explanation that they will be demanding? Any idea on what kind of action will be taken if this is found to be derogatory?
Well, National Commission of Women, generally what happens is that they actually issue a kind of a statement, and they will seek an explanation from show cause notice, seeking an explanation from the actor. But here, Rekha Sharma, the chairperson, has said that she will also approach the police in this matter. So if it finds out that there is a reason for an FIR, that could also be filed. That's the reason it looks like Siddharth trying to give an explanation with another two-line tweet is not going to be enough in this matter. He is in real trouble, and he has to provide a proper explanation what exactly he meant by that and why he had to go ahead and tweet in such a manner.
All right, Prabodh. Here it appears that heat is mounting on actor Siddharth after this sexist tweet that he's made on Saina Nehwal. In fact, Siddharth trying to clearly mock Saina Nehwal while she takes up she stands up and speaks out on this Prime Minister's